दिस वीडियो इज़ मेड इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। अगर आपको हिंदी वीडियो देखना है तो आप चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हो, वहाँ पर मैंने हिंदी वीडियो अपलोड कर दिया है। सो आवर मोस्ट ऑफ द व्यूवर्स आर नोज English well, they don't knows Hindi. If I made mistake in English language, so I am apologize for that. In this video I will show you how to get our e-nuggets money back. There are 101% chances to get our e-nuggets money back. So stay tuned till the end. I will show you the exact strategy and methods to get our money back, and we have to get combined and step together to further action. And guys, if you are joined our Telegram group yet, so join it quickly, because in this Telegram group we are all discuss about the e-nuggets and how to get e-nuggets money back. So join our Telegram group, the link is in description, so join fast. So guys, in this video I will show you the e-nuggets app. So guys, are you seen this interface before? Let me comment me down and tell me who recommend you for using the e-nuggets, use the e-nuggets, and who tell you the use e-nuggets app. Let me comment me down. And guys, see, this is the app like e-nuggets, and this app is very harmful to us. And guys, we are taken the use of this app to get e-nugget back. We have to what do we have to do, and what do we have to don't do. In this video I will show you the exact strategy. And see guys, this is the totally matched to the e-nuggets, and everything is about the e-nuggets, and everything is like e-nuggets. So guys, stay tuned. In this video I will show you the exact strategy to get our e-nuggets back. And so guys, see here, everything is like e-nuggets. The grab haul, everything, your home, and your recharge system is also like e-nuggets. I will show you the recharge system. See guys, this is the online service. Everything, each and every page is like e-nuggets. So this is the our profile pictures are also e-nuggets, and the recharge management is also e-nuggets. See guys, this is the recharge management, and this time the State Bank of India is the bank accounts. The bank account is of State Bank of India, and the Federal Bank also support him. So guys, I am very confirmed this is the team of e-nuggets, and they created a new app. And so guys, we have to do what I will show. We have to do just contact them. In the next video I will tell you, and I will give you their contacts numbers and contact detail, because the app is working, so the numbers are also working. So we have to do anything for our money. And stay tuned and subscribe the channel for the next video, and be updated. Click the notification bell after subscribe, and join our Telegram group for next and more information. So join our Telegram group and subscribe the channel, please, and join with us. I made lot of mistakes in speaking English, so I am apologize for that guys, and thanks for watching this video.